training can be used as a strategic tool to ensure the implementation of the overall business strategy. Outline the importance of this statement and the steps required to link training efforts to business strategy. Okay. For outline the importance of this statement is on the 81, page number 81. You will get idea of the role of training and implementing business strategy.
Right.
And the steps required to link training efforts of business strategy. So page number 99, you will get little outline of the steps in developing training strategy. How analyze the needs, identify the gaps.
Right.
Even in page 95 also.
Page
81, 95, 99. Okay, I'm just writing it down.
That's page 95 also, role of training in driving organization change. But here you get the steps in page number 99.
Okay, yeah, it looks fine.
And now emphasize the importance of various types of training metrics and training scorecard to ensure the training does impact achievement of strategic goals of business. Okay, for this you have to go back page number 115 to 122.
116 for that?
1 second. Yeah, 116 to 122. So we'll get in detail of training metrics and training scorecard. So
okay. Okay, so I have just sent on chat to everybody about the pages that we discussed.
Yeah, but for types of training metrics and training scorecard, like in the textbook, there is a Kirkpatrick 4 levels model is there for evaluation
That's a
of
feedback model. But that is a feedback model, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a scorecard. Yeah, correct. It's a scorecard.
So
right.
If you Google it, you will find the different kind of models of that in this cycle. So you can add up.
Right. So I think this is a good for all of us to start the base. At least we actually will be able to collect more than 90% of material only within these pages. Maybe we may not have to do much Google here.
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good. So guys, can we move to the next question?
Yes, but it's clear with everyone, or anybody have any doubt in this?
Any doubts? Post it to Shakil.
I will come back to Jyoti.
I think it's good enough to at least get us started. We at least know how to create how to make the foundation of this question. I think it's good enough. It's a good start. Let's move to the next question. If people have problems, then they can post it on the group, and we can then try and help each other. The second question is, in essence, strategy is all about making choices. Comment on this statement to demonstrate the importance of the strategic decision-making process for an organization. In your own words, describe at least 2 strategic options and corresponding response required from HRD. So the first question that is there within the second question is listed on page number 31.
Yes.
Yeah. So 31. So answer is within that. What is the business strategy? And business strategy, the kind of choices you make, like whether you want to gain the advantages over the competitors, or whether you want to build the existing competencies depending upon the strategy that you have. So there are a lot of choices that a person has the entire organization's management has to take to deliver the mission and vision, or the goal that they have achieved, the goal that they have set over a period of time. And again, whatever goals they have set has to be agile enough, because things change. So they have to be pretty dynamic when it happens. So you can formulate your answer around that it's all about making the choices. But all this information you should be able to get within the second chapter, second module.
Yes, this question also have two sections.
One
is the first part you will get from page number 15 to 23.
Correct.
The first part of the answer.
That entire, yeah. So in this option, Shakil, did you actually went ahead and explained all the strategy, these ones, decisions and all? I'm not planning to go for competency framework and the process of the strategy development and implementation. I think I might go ahead and explain this a little bit about define the vision, gather the analyze and information and all those things.
Yeah,
A
that's
little
very
bit.
important. That is very important. So
Correct. So that is something else. But going through all the strategic options will be, I think, implement strategies where I think we will be able to get most of the details. I'm just looking at that page of 22 because implementing the strategy and deciding the strategic options are the choices that we do, right? At the end of the day, the choice that we make, choice that the organization has kept, which one we prioritize and which one we want to do it first.
yes, yes. And in the second part, describe at least 2 strategic options and the corresponding response required from HR.
Right. So strategic options, I saw the, let me just find out on the page. I think
Page number
these are the
66.
options.
I think page
66.
18.
Yeah. Actually, if you see the book starting ka index, in that the strategic option that they have given, this cost leadership, blue ocean, product service differentiation, innovation, technology, customer experience, digitization. But digitization, I did not see getting explained anywhere in the book. I think it's a bug.
Yes,
And
Jyoti, I also didn't saw that. Maybe you have to Google it.
no, I know if they haven't explained it, and ma'am also has not included that part in her PPT. So I'll just go ahead and skip it for now. And I think that in page that last option, the HR partnership in different strategic options is very important when we want to explain that the strategic options in corresponds with HRD. So I think out of all these strategic options that are listed, we will have to select 2. So each one of us will have to make a choice, select 2 options, and then we'll have to provide the corresponding response from HRD in that. And that HRD response is actually given on page, let me just see. Yeah, it is on page number 79. So if you go to page 79, you will be able to see that.
Below every strategy, they have mentioned what HR can do. I mean, it's pretty clear. They have given everything. It is there.
Correct. So I think when everything is laid out in front of us, I will recommend all of you to be a little more creative and use your own language, or maybe have something in your mind. Try and not copy paste it. I know we are just 5 days away from submitting our assignments and we are in a hurry rush. Trust me, even I am. But I still recommend try and give something different. Use the same options. Use the same take this as a guidance, but try and write your own words.
Jyoti ma'am, I have a question. In both these questions, I can see our answer going as an essay, as in bullets and numbering, nothing like that, like just a flow, like a river. So is there any way, like, do you suppose, I was thinking this morning, how can I make it point wise? Means even if someone is reading, that person shouldn't feel as if the person is reading newspaper.
It depends. So you are telling about both the questions, how to formulate the answers point wise? Is that the question? Gandhali? Can you hear
Hello.
me? Yeah.
You heard what I say?
No, I heard it. I just wanted to confirm my understanding of the questions. Are you trying to ask whether are you trying to ask how to point wise, write these answers?
Yes, because I have the material ready with me, but it is like one flow, like a newspaper article, one flow. No points, no bullet numbering.
You formulate it. As I said, we don't, when we, or like every question, you kind of explain what business strategy is, for an organization. In question 2, you have to clearly make a choice of 2 strategic options. So you can just go ahead with that flow, explaining that, these are the 2 strategic options and this is how the HR should respond upon.
Okay.
And the first part, in essence, the strategy is all about making choices. Explain a little bit about the strategy and how it is developed and what are the factors which actually which actually impact it, like internal and external factors and other things, and where organization is supposed to make the decisions. See, the question says strategy is about making choices. And when do we make a choice? When we have different options. When we have different options, we choose, we prioritize, and then we make a choice. So try and make sure that that comes across your answer.
Right.
Right. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to share? Shakil, you want to share anything? Because you are the one who completed it.
Just Jyoti, madam. That's it. Actually, whatever discussed is in the book. The answer
Right.
is there, but in detail, like you advised, okay, please make your own, so it will not look like that. We'll copy it from the textbook.
Yeah. See, at the end of the day, honestly, like not everybody is here for the marks or to be number one and all. We are here to learn. Whatever we learn in our own language is what is gonna matter. If we copy paste from internet here and there, they will know. That's what ma'am already told the first day, that when you copy from internet, they are smart. Trust me, there are certain lines that I see in the books that are copied from internet. I can tell you the websites from where that word to word has been copied. So they will know. They are smart. So more words that you use in your own language will be much better.
Jyoti, I had a question over here. If you could help, or anyone of you can help.
Yeah, Rebecca, tell me.
Yeah. So when it comes to, see, when this morning also, when I was discussing with ma'am, I had that as a concern when it comes to training metrics and scorecard. So there is information available for training metrics, but there is no information available for training scorecard. So it's a little difficult to discuss this, and to put it in words out there. So how do you go about it?
I haven't gone to the question number first, but I saw the training scorecard somewhere on page number 117 or 119.
Right. Yeah. So the ma'am has given, but at the same time, I know, as you said, that viewing the internet would not be the best solution. But then otherwise, there's no content available, right? Like, I mean, how do you define that? That is something, I mean.
See, Kirkpatrick's is one model, which people follow, as that is the universal model I've realized. And to be honestly, training is something which is very difficult to quantify, like the achievement of it. Because I went and trained my managers on Agile, but God knows how many actually understood. Maybe I've asked them to open TFS. I asked them to open TFS, they are doing it. But that information that they've absorbed, that is something, my personal experience, in being in IT for that long, is you see over a period of time the reflection, and whatever you teach, hardly 40% they remember, unless they have used an experiential method so that it fits in their mind. Otherwise, if you've given them a lecture, the minute they leave the room, it's gone. They leave it in the room only. They don't even take it with themselves.
That's true. That's a given. But the thing is, see, really speaking, we all know when it comes to training that we've come from our training backgrounds that practically speaking, things are very different, and theoretically speaking, things are very different. And now looking at the
yeah, Rebecca, you already have that experience. So I'll recommend you to reflect that. When you are giving a scorecard, also write a line or two that in the real world, though these are the things that we follow, even when we follow it, it's very difficult to judge it. Because your understanding of successful may be different than my understanding of successful.
Absolutely, right.
So there also we have to define that, okay, success means person is reflecting this in 5 days or this, like, unless it is listed properly and everybody has the same understanding, there is no way you'll be able to quantify it. Technical trainings are much easier to score than the behavioral trait.
Okay. See that I completely agree with you. But at the same time, for instance, even the second question, where ma'am has asked that one, what is HRD's response to the various strategic options? Okay. Now, information available in the book is direct, but anything available on the internet is like there's nothing available over there direct. You have to come up with your own concepts, but at the same time, application is that's the thing I feel, at least I'm struggling with. How do I apply what is, because ultimately then you feel.
Right now, my recommendation is just go ahead and finish the assignment with your understanding. If you have finished all the other assignment, then go ahead and with R&D. But given the time constraint that we all have, go with the book and what your ma'am has taught right now. And obviously add your own experience to it. Just don't write anything from the book. take those as pointers. If ma'am has told 2 or 3 methods or 2 or 3 things, if you feel that in your experience you have done something more or different than that, go ahead and add it. If you see in the today's morning's lecture, that's what ma'am said. Anything that you bring in new and innovative is 10 on 10. Anything which is a book is like 5 on 10, right? Today she was saying about how the marks will be given.
Right,
If you're
right,
reading from
right.
book, it's 5, then it was 8, and then it was 10. If you add your own experience and creativity, then it is 10 on 10.
Also, is anyone giving any kind of reference or citations by the end of the entire submission? Like, I mean, because all of us, I don't know about everyone at least, but there must be some resources that we may be viewing, right? So are we, is anyone mentioning the reference for it?
I have actually not mentioned it because I have put 1 or 2 images here and there as an example, but I haven't mentioned any reference because whatever I read also from the book and PPT and recording, I just translated in my own language and I put it.
Okay, okay.
See, if it's a formula, you can quote it because it's like a plus b square is equal
Right.
to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know that it is
Right.
done.
Right.
But when you come to other references, I'm not sure. Like it is
Okay,
becomes a
okay.
little difficult. Yeah. But I think it's okay. You can go ahead and send it.
Okay. No, even I have not finished anything. I'm still stuck with everything. But yeah, thanks a lot. I'll actually just run through with this information again. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, Jyoti.
No problem. So what were the question 2 paper pages? I think 31. Page number 2 is module 2, and then 115. Okay. Nikhil is asking for question 2 reference pages. I will just Nikhil, I will go through it. I'll chat with Shakil once again and I'll send it in the group.
I think question number 1,
Question number 1 I have
essence of
already
choice.
sent. Question number 1 I have
Question
already
number
sent.
Question number 2 is just a minute. I'll just give that to you all. Page number 16. Come to page number 16. Second paragraph, nature of business strategy. In it is where the whole is the first line explained. And then I believe is the blue ocean. Okay, the different strategies. So that comes to page number. I don't know. Are you mentioning that, Jyoti, right now?
No, I'm just writing it down. I have already my rough note, but I will after this call, if we don't have anything more, we can just wind up the call and I'll send it in the group. Question 1 I already sent on the chat. Question 2 also.
Question 2 I said page 16, and then the next page will be for the model different strategic options. Just a minute, I'll just give that to you also. That is come to that's on page number 66. We start with all the competitive advantages through strategic options. From there, we have all the strategic options given. Pick up any 2 and explain that in your own words. And what is the HRD's response to it? That comes on page number. See, I don't know. I just happened to see the book and I remember. That's the reason. So that's on page number 79.
That's okay.
Okay.
As I said, there are 112 is also there. I will just check once again, and I will post it on
112. Okay. 112. Huh, 112 is for question number 1.
Right.
Yeah, 100. If I'm not wrong.
Not 101. It's 126.
126
For question number 1.
8 minutes. 126. Sorry, yeah, I think I was wondering. 120, not just 120. नहीं शकील 126 कैसे बोल रहे हो? वो तो ये हो गया. वो तो ये है. नहीं. I would rather say question number 1 is about ये ना training metrics as well as ये. So come to page number that starts at page number. Come to page number 117. Shakil, training scorecard के बारे में वहाँ पे mention है.
Yeah. But Ribika, if you read the question number 120, page number 120 is the question number 3. You will get.
Ah, that question number 3 is there, but the answer may not be on the 126 page, right?
Yeah, but Jyoti already mentioned the question, the answer you will find page number 81, 95 to 99 in detail.
81.
Yes.
Yeah.
See the role of training and implementing business strategy.
Yeah, opening line mein you can definitely think of considering. Yeah. It will go over there. Yeah. Agreed. Wow, I've been a while since I've gone through it again. Okay, I'll go through it as well. Thanks a
Okay,
lot,
guys.
both of you.
Okay, guys. All
Thanks,
the best.
Jyoti. Thanks, Shakil.
I think now we are done and we will not be having any calls till we all submit. So if people have problem, let's post it on the group and we will see if we need the call. Otherwise, we can just solve it on the chat itself.
Sure. Thanks.
Sure.
I have a
Okay, guys.
question.
Yeah, Gandhali, tell me.
But the question is not regards to HR. This is regards to instructional design. I just wanted to know, there is a question of Bloom's cognitive domain and psychomotor domain objectives. So for both the questions, you have taken same objectives or three different objectives? I mean, I
Where was the
thinking,
where is the psychomotor domain? In
not
question?
psychomotor, I'm sorry, affective domain.
Affective domain, cognitive, yeah, that is, no, I don't think there's an affective domain also. It was cognitive domain,
That's
right?
all is mentioned there. It is mentioned there.
Okay, I'm just checking.
It is mentioned 3 objectives and explaining.
Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah, it's affective domain, correct. Yeah, it's a second question, the second part.
Yes. So you have taken different objectives or same objectives you have repeated for
I
both
have taken different objectives for both, because if you see in the further questions, we have to take one of the objectives and do another comparison in the later question itself, the third question. So we
Okay.
cannot use the same outcome for both.
Okay. I'm doing everything imaginative, so I'm just finding myself difficult. Where do I find
I know.
objectives? So many different
Objective,
objectives.
see, it is leadership. Put in a positive attitude, the strategies and all. Put some high level fundas there.
Okay. I will have to. And one last question I have. In first question, part 6, it is mentioned minimum 5-factor comparison for 2 ISD models applied. So this is regards to whatever we have applied for question
Right.
3, right? So we have to show how these 2 ISD models different are from each other, right?
Correct. So if you have used ropes and eddy, then you have to compare those two.
Okay. I got it correctly then. Only this thing, different objectives, I will have to think a bit then. I'll have to Google. Okay, I think that's done then. We will
Okay.
start now. Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Shakil.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys. All the best.
Thank you, Jyoti ji, and thank you so much. Best of luck all.
Yep. All the best.
Thank you all.
And soon we will meet for case studies as well. I mean, I'll put it on group. We can have
Yeah.
session for case study if all okay. I mean, after submission, of course, but
Yeah,
for case
let's-
studies also.
पहले असाइनमेंट की विदाई करें, उसके बाद we'll see what
इसके बाद
will
5 तारीख
we
को
can have-
5 ज्योति जी 4 तारीख को असाइनमेंट की विदाई करने के बाद 5 तारीख को पूरा बॉडी को रेस्ट देने का 6 तारीख समझेंगे क्या करना है।
6 तारीख क्या समझ के रखा हुआ है? मैं 10 दिन तो बुक्स को नहीं देखना चाहती। शकील, don't
Even
keep me
I
on
want to go on
record.
for holiday. One more thing. The seniors are saying that they will arrange they will accept questions till 4 and maybe 5th or 6th they will keep the session online to guide us a bit. I mean, that was requested. So what do you all say? Is that okay? Can we spare some time? At least we can listen to them what they have got to say.
I did not go through that. What exactly will they say? We already know about the kind of questions that that will be asked and the schedule and everything. And ma'ams and teachers have already told the way they are going to evaluate it also. So what exactly are we looking for? So if you are looking for something
The
beyond,
exam itself, the supervision, like how they managed, how they uploaded immediately or they waited. I mean, in the end, they uploaded. They had
okay,
any
okay.
actually online difficulties while appearing for the exam. That sort of things actually we are, and other pointers or any shortcuts or anything which they
Okay.
found okay, because Aviral said something like he can help us in few ways.
Right. Okay, then
So
let's
that
try
part
and
I wanted to
tell.
clear.
But I think 4th may be a little early. People would be just, free. If possible, let's keep it at least 2 days after 4th if they are available. And if they are not available, then we'll have to make it 4th only.
At least we can listen. There is nothing taxing to
Right,
brain. We can
absolutely.
listen what they have got to say and put forward any questions if we have. I will be listing my questions in the group today. If anyone has any addition, then you can add, and by 4th we can give them the questions so that we will not waste time in asking questions again when the session starts.
True.
Okay. So
Okay,
I think
then,
that we will see.
Right now, honestly, I think everybody is so busy with the assignments. People have
Mhm.
not thought about that. Trust me, once
Yes,
the
yes.
exams come closer, they will start thinking about these things.
Yes, yes. Definitely. Let me just connect to Aviral then and I'll ask him if 6 or 7 is okay with him. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, all of you. Let's
Thank you,
call end.
guys. Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.